Welcome Internet, this is Desert Rat Toys. I'm Scott the Desert Rat, and today's episode we're going to be making chain guards. They're made out of 16 gauge steel. I hope you enjoy the build. Alright, so we have the template all set up ready to go for this part, and originally I designed it like this, but I'm thinking this ain't that thick. I might be able to fold this, so we're going to go ahead and put the two pieces together when we trace it onto our sheet metal. Let me get that started. Put a dotted line for where we plan on folding. Oh, probably on the metal would help. Line. And without moving it, I'm going to line that up where we want it. Hold both parts down. And there we go. This is all of the parts for the front chain guard and the Stormtrooper. So we're going to bend this plate right here on this line. What I've done is I took some cold rolled steel. We're going to line it up right where we want the fold to happen. Take another piece of cold rolled steel. We're going to finish lining everything up nice and neat. And then we're just going to clamp it in place. It moved a lot. Just clamp it all down nice and tight. Get your ball peen or whatever hammer you're using. So this is pretty much what I'm doing here. definitely not as good as Japan's, but I definitely think that's gonna work. Alright. Try to get it to just naturally fit as well as you can. I think I kind of like that. I mean, we got some backfilling for sure. Yeah, I think I'm liking that. I think we're going to go ahead and weld that up like so. I do. I think I like that. Alright, so we got the part back. We're going to paint. Doesn't look horrible. I mean, in fairness, it's all going to get repainted again. The paint at the moment is just to keep it from rusting out, because we've been on this project for a good long minute. So when we go to put this in, I've got these two bolt holes lined up for these two here, and we've also got the rear mounting tab. All of that holds this in place, and Let's see if I can get you a decent angle of how we put it together. I'm not sure I can get you a good angle of this. And then the last one goes in. Oh, that's a tight spot. And there we go. We're all nice and installed. You're back there. Now you can see that spot, that mount tab a little easier. So there's the front chain guard.